11, for Essay 4, you're going to be citing at least one news story site and perhaps multiple news stories if you're comparing them against each other. And so you're going to need to do the correct formatting, and we're using the MLA style of formatting for Essay 4. So this is two sources for you to refer to as you create your essay and make the formatting look right. So the first one is the CSUDH library website, which I like because it gives you a very brief overview of the MLA system for those for whom this is new, an overview video, and I quite like this sample essay, which is always handy to see an example of what it's supposed to look like, including the citation page, which can be tricky to figure out how it's supposed to be formatted unless you're looking at an example, so that's always handy. This even has instructions on how to create the hanging indent look on your works cited page, which students sometimes struggle with. The second resource is the OWL Purdue Writing Lab site, which I like because it has all the information about the citation system, but it also has a citation generator, and you can plug the URL of your sources in here. And for the news site websites, you'll be using the website setting, and you can generate citations, which you can copy and paste into your works cited page. It should look something like this when it's done, with a reporter's name, the article title, the news source, the sponsor of the website, the date, and the URL. Okay, one or two notes about writing about these articles in your paper. The first time you refer to your article, you probably want to give the entire title of the article. And if the article on the website is listed, whatever the capitalization is used on the website, that's what you would follow in the essay. So here I've kept the same capitalization as it is displayed on their website. And after the first time I give the full article title, I have the option, if I want, of just referring to the article title by the first few words. A simple convention would be whatever's before the colon or just the first few words, like this. Another thing is that the article is written by a reporter, but it's also very common and typical to refer to the article by the news site for which the reporter is writing. So you can say something like, according to reporter's name of the news site, or Rebecca Rosenberg reporting for news site, right? But what you wouldn't do is refer to the article simply as the one written by this author, because without the article or without the news site named, it might be hard to keep track of which news site is reporting this article, which is actually the most important element in your analysis for this essay. So always remind us what the news article is, or what the news site is that the article came from. That's the most important thing. Okay, with that, happy writing Essay 4. I can't wait to read them, and have a great Thanksgiving break.